To customize wireless emergency alerts reminder settings in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find notifications, and then tap notifications, select advanced settings, scroll down the screen, next tap wireless emergency alerts, and then scroll down the screen, tap alert reminder, and then select option 1. A reminder sound will play at regular volume. Okay, select option 1 once, every 2 minutes, every 15 minutes, or never. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.